Unang possession pare, tumira pare.
Nakapasok lang. Dada 18.
Ay, sorry pare.
Just number 2. Just number 15. Just number 23. No good. Just number 14. No good. Rebound yan. Just number 23. Just number 2. Pass to shoot. Just number 18. Over the bar.
Wala sa akin. Ulul! Gago!
Just number 18 is one, so just number 14. Stay ball. Just number 1 to just number 14. Balik ke just number 14, 5 minutes. Good point, just number 14, Jake Stewart. Just number 2 to just number 23, first blue.
Dapat kay Darren.
That's up 20. Just number 81, Bora, to just number 4. Down to just number 17.
Nanginginig kasi yung kamay ko. Oh.
Just number 0, lakukan by Bora. Three ball, 12-1 shot clock.
Dapat kay Chong Ramon. Hindi na talaga ni-referee yan. Kalokohan nga.
First ball, 1 point. Second ball by just number 26.
Papasok yung dalawang 3 point. Kaya namin dumikit di? Nakadikit nga ako yun, 4 quarter na. 56-51. Kaya nakawalan na rin kami ng gana nun.
2-1-2.
Panis. Wala pre, wala kasi set. Dandad lang hindi mapigilan kanina eh, tangina na ito. Dan wag kang maglaro niyan pag ikaw magkalaban namin. Lugi. Wala ko ngayon na kami wala.
Just number 1, that's just number 14, first blue.
Bilog, mahirapan ko yung
Just number 26. Just number 0, good point.
Bago, mahirapan ko yung trunks nung taragsit ni trunks.
Just number 17.
Dalawa pa sila mataragsit pre.
Just number 4.
Pre, para mo ba lang pati rin pre?
Just number 15, put back to just number 24. Just number 81, dribble ball. Pass to just number. Grabe yung violation.
Ganda sa ano yun. Knockball niya kasi agad yun.
Just number 18, Santos. Pass to just number 21. Rebound guy, just number 81, Bola. Bola.
Ay, di ko nakita.
Rebound guy, just number 21. Just number 21. No good then. Put back by just number 27. Bola to just number 5. Meron may foul on jersey number 0. First throw, no good. Second throw.
Kaya nila po ito yan. Ganun. Na, pag may isa sila malaki.
Wala naman kasi, wala yung ano.
Buti nga wala pa si Kuya Rod. Ng Rod.
Kaya nga eh, mga roads.
Buti nga di nga naglaro.
Jersey number 18, Santos.
Mahirapan talaga sa dyan pag nandun yun. Awas ka na.
Nakakuha ng foul. Foul ng jersey number 14. Second personal foul and second free foul.
Kung sa ako.
First throw by Santos is good. Second throw.
Ikaw.
No good. Rebound dyan. Jersey number 81, Bora. Jersey number 14. Pass to jersey number 5. No good. Rebound dyan. Jersey number 0. 2 points on jersey number 0. Official score. Jersey number 21.
Kung kasama yun.
Joy. Joy to joy.
Jersey number 2, 25, from Green, no good. Rebound yan, jersey number 21, pass for Santos.
Yung may kapatid yung Angel.
Santos to jersey number 0,
Yung Angel.
to jersey number 27. Time to shoot. Santos for 2. Jersey number 14. Layup is good. Jersey number 14. Time remaining 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Ano yan? Second quarter na yan? Spin ka mo.
Santos dribble ball. Pass to jersey number 21. Quick fire 3. Three points. Jersey number 2, Bora. No good.
Ganda ng pitik nito po to.
Rebound dyan, jersey number 21. Jersey number 21 to jersey number 18, 2 points. 55 seconds. Jersey number 14. No good, good foul. Wala pa rin. Jersey number 5 for 2. Seconds. Seconds. Foul, jersey number 21. Jersey number 2, no good. Wait for the buzzer.
Ulis ka dyan.
Jersey number 21 to jersey number 11. Balik kay jersey number 21. Alley-oop. Jersey number 11, dribble the ball. Pass to Bora. Pinasa sa ilalim to jersey number 17 for 3. Too strong. Nakuha ni jersey number 11 to jersey number 17 to jersey number 4 to Bora. 2 points on jersey number 81. Official score 39-29. 10.3 by zone 5. Time to shoot. Good. 2 points on jersey number 21. Jersey number 81, Bella. Pass to jersey number 17. Masyadong malakas. Well, jersey number 27 to jersey number 21. Pass to jersey number 11 for 2. Jersey number 81 to jersey number 4. No good. Rebound dyan to jersey number 26. Pass to jersey number 21 to jersey number 11. Put back by jersey number 21 is good.
Kapansin ka.
Basol ka!
Direk! Kumotor!
10 seconds on Shepa. Yan is jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 26. Saras by Bora. Jersey number 26 to jersey number 11. Balik ay jersey number 26 for 2. Jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 5 for 3. 3 points. Jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 21 for 3. No good. Rebound dyan ni Bora. Pass to jersey number 11. To jersey number 5 for 3. No good. Rebound dyan ni jersey number 21. To jersey number 15. No good. Put back. Wala pa rin. Rebound dyan ni Bora. To jersey number 4. Pass to jersey number 11. To jersey number 17. Still led by jersey number 11. Five to shoot. Number 3 by jersey number 15. Pass to jersey number 26. Foul on jersey number 71. Second throw is good. 1 on 2. Jersey number 5 to jersey number 2. To jersey number 11. No good. Rebound dyan to jersey number 26. Pass to jersey number 4. To jersey number 0. 2 points. Official score 50-52. 18-point lead by zone 5. Jersey number 11 to jersey number 1. Pass to jersey number 5. No good. Foul on jersey number 5. Jersey number 4, laying the point guard, pass to jersey number 14 for 2. No good. Foot back by jersey number 77. Jersey number 11, nagmamadali. Kinasa kay jersey number 5. No good. Foot back. Wala pa din. Rebound dyan ni jersey number 0.
Boy, gawin kami na!
Traveling violation and jersey number 26. Substitution. Jersey number 17, Big Fire on 3.
Centro tapos 3.
Pass to jersey number 23. To jersey number 4. Nakuha yan ni Bora. Jersey number 81 for 2. Jersey number 4 pass to jersey number 0. To jersey number 77. 2 points on jersey number 23. Jersey number 17. Pass to Bora. To jersey number 2. 2 points. Jersey number 77. Behind the back pass. No good. Jersey number 23. For 2. Wala pa din. Good back. Jersey number 14. Too strong. Rebound dyan ni jersey number 77 to jersey number 0. No good. Jersey number 23 pass to jersey number 14. For 2. Official score of 58-36. Jersey number 14, no good. Two points on jersey number 14. Jersey number 81, Bora. Pass to jersey number 2. Still yan. Pass to jersey number 14. To jersey number 0. 2 points. 25 seconds. Foul on jersey number 23. First row, no good. Second row by Bora. One or two by Bora. Jersey number 77. To jersey number 23. Rebound dyan ni jersey number 14. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Down to 5. Wait for the buzzer. Bora for 2. That's the end of the third period. Rebound dyan ni jersey number 26. To jersey number 0. To jersey number 21. Mga bata, yung bola ninyo, pakitabi. Jersey number 11. To jersey number 2. No good. Rebound dyan ni Bora, jersey number 81. Pass to jersey number 17. Aras by jersey number 2. Too strong. Rebound dyan ni jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. No good. Pass to jersey number 2. To jersey number 17. Libre. Put back by jersey number 14. Jersey number 0 to jersey number 26. To jersey number 11. Lugod, rebound dyan ni jersey number 4. Pass, break pass. Nakuha yan ni jersey number 21. Jersey number 21. 2 points. Pass, break pass ulit to jersey number 17. Easy 2 points. Jersey number 2 to jersey number 0. Pass to jersey number 11. Block na dyan by jersey number 4. Substitution. Time out. 24 seconds violation.
Shoutout pa sa pamilya ko dyan. Bago kayo.
Jersey number 2 to jersey number 5. Pass to Bora. Kumukha lang dress, no good. Rebound dyan to jersey number 26. Saran by Bora. Pass to jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. Block na dyan. Single. 12-1 shot clock. Jersey number 26. Block ulit. Rebound by jersey number 14. Pass. Pass break pass. Jersey number 14. No good. Pero may foul. Foul jersey number 21. Second personal foul and first team foul. Two shot on jersey number 14.
Inugi ako nun.
Then, jersey number 0. Pass to jersey number 21 sa 3. No good. Rebound dyan by jersey number 26 to jersey number 21. Wala pa din. 10 to shoot. Same ball. 7 on shot clock.
Huwag pa nga pit. Mataya ko.
Jersey number 2, 5 to shoot. One second on shot clock.
1% ang puta. Gago, alt 9 lang sa akin kanina.
Foul on jersey number 13, pushing foul. Third personal foul and second team foul.
Oh, lobat. Lobat ha? Mag-lobat ka. Dito naman. 1% na ginawa. Ha? Naghina.
Jersey number 4 to jersey number 2. Nakuha yan ni jersey number 21. Two points on jersey number 26. Still by jersey number 2.
Uwi na tayo?
Pagmugan. Faktor para mamaya. Gago, Tret? Yes, sa intro. Pwede sa ulang lalo sa pinto. Ano sa pinto? Sa intro mo lang guro mo din kung pagkakasaan hindi wala ka sa kanila. Meron daw tayong pagkain doon. Ito ibang pagkain sa kanila. Ako pala. Mali tayo doon. Dagdag doon. Kala ko sama sa McLeod. Nabalik sa mga. Nakatawa kami. Sige, ang gusto mo.
Ko. Tanis!
Bonus shot on jersey number 81.
Dito kanina, sobrang dilim ko sa kanya. Dito? Ano ba? Ano ba? Bang bang.
Last 50 seconds.
Wala lang, 16 na lang.
Seconds. Twenty seconds. 10 seconds. Down to 5. Wait for the buzzer.